What up, people? It's your boy, Mr. Noland. All right, guys, welcome back to the first day here at Luna Middle School. I am going to create an introductory video into the sixth grade math expectations, our rules, and some of the resources that we have. Let's go ahead and start with our expectations. The first expectation for myself, Miss Alvarez, Miss Likes, and Miss Joseph's class. We expect everyone to work hard and give exceptional effort. There's a lot of students that say they struggle with math, and to be honest, we don't care if you struggle with math. Life itself is a struggle. Ask your parents, being an adult is hard. It's a struggle, and you are 6 years away from being an adult. So when things get hard, you have to work a little bit harder. Now, again, if you struggle with math but you work hard, you'll be fine in our class. There'll be nothing to worry about. But if you struggle with math and you're just going to sit there and kind of be lazy, that's where you're going to kind of get in trouble with us. Again, it's not that hard to try your best, and that's all we're asking. The second thing is bring a great attitude. No one likes to work with someone that has a sour attitude. I know personally in my class, if you give me a bad attitude, I'm going to give it right back to you. Again, Miss Likes, Miss Joseph, Miss Alvarez, and myself, we are very nice people. Treat us with respect. We'll treat you with respect. We'll all get along. We're like a nice, big, happy family. The next expectation is check Google Classroom on a daily basis. Parents, please, please, please make sure that your child checks Google Classroom on a daily basis. We post our daily notes in there. We post any homework that we have in there. And videos just like this one that I'm making, we post those in there. I create a lot of videos on what we are learning. There are a lot of parents that say they can't help their children out at home because they don't know how to do the math or they don't understand it. Well, this is a nice little resource for parents at home and for the students as well. Again, I go step by step when I create these videos. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the rules. The first rule. Now, let me backtrack here. The rules are not only for the sixth grade math squad, but it's for the entire school. So this first rule is there is no bathroom the first or last 10 minutes of class. Utilize your time wisely during passing period. That means you don't go start talking to your friends in the hallway. You walk with a purpose from one class to the next, and during that time you use the bathroom. Secondly is the cell phone policy. Now, we encourage all students to keep their phones in their lockers. We're not going to force the students to keep their phones in the lockers. We just encourage them. The reason being is if we see them out in the class, hallways, bathroom, during lunch, etc., the cell phones will be taken up and sent down to the office, where the student can pick them up at the end of the school day, or even at times the parents have to come pick them up. There's no questions asked. We've had issues these past couple years involving cell phones, so we are stopping that right off the bat. So we are being very strict on the cell phone policy. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the last thing, which is our resources. The first thing is a consumable textbook. The consumable textbook is sent home and stays home. It's going to look like this. This workbook has practice problems, maybe a few little extra notes in there. But the thing about this workbook is we don't do any work out of it. There's no daily work. There's no homework. This is just a resource for students at home if they want to try some extra practice problems. So once again, this book is sent home, it stays home. Another resource, once again, is Google Classroom. Please check it on a daily basis. We have notes, homework, and videos that are posted on there. If a student is absent or sick, they may print out the notes and the homework straight from Google Classroom. And they really shouldn't say they missed a whole lot because the videos will be on there too. If they're at home sick and they're starting to feel a little better, have them watch the video while they're at home. Morning tutoring is available on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Friday mornings from 7:55 until 8:30 in the morning in Mr. Nolan's classroom G210. After-school tutoring is on Wednesdays and Thursdays from 4 to 5 p.m. Now, tutoring is for the students that are really struggling with the concept, or let's say they're solving a problem and they're missing a step or two. We're here to help guide them. Tutoring is not a place where you just come in and you chill and you want to talk to your friends. Tutoring is not a place where you come in with a blank homework assignment because you didn't do it the night before, because you just didn't want to give any effort and you just now want the answers. This is a place where, again, if you're struggling with a concept, we're here to help guide you. We also utilize tutoring for reteach retests. So again, if your student struggled with a test and we're doing reteach retest, they need to come in during morning tutoring or after school tutoring. I hope this video helps with the explanation of our expectations, rules, and resources. I hope you have a great evening. Bye.